Hey Juan, it's Max. Thanks for talking on the phone with me earlier and allowing me to send you over this video. All I ask is just for a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. That being said, let's jump right in. So typically I have your website up. However, whenever I clicked on your website, this is what came up, and it wouldn't let me get past this. So it looks like your website is not really up and going right now. But the general gist of this video is to show you the three main ways. Let me see if this works. No, that's just your thumbtack. Okay. The three main ways to get your site ranking in Google for select key terms that are being searched each month. And I know that these terms are being searched each month because I use this software called Ahrefs. Shows me that just this term gets 90 searches every month, and that there's other terms that equate to 230 searches each month. And so just to show you the value there's 230 searches every month, and you're just ranking down here in this organic spot, still going to be able to bring in about 20%. And so that's 46 people to your website every month. A good website can convert about 40% to phone calls. It's an additional 18 calls every month. And so even if you're only closing about 50% of the estimates that you go to, that's still an extra 9 to 10 jobs every month. And even if you're only profiting about $1,000 per job, that's still over $9,000 per month just by ranking there in that organic listing. So like I said, I'm going to show you using your competitor site here to show you how easy it would be to rank over them. And so the first thing is content on your home page. So if we just copy everything that you see here and throw it into this word counter, it shows me that they have 210 words on their home page, and Google typically wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words on their home page. And the reason for that is that Google looks at your website as a contributing factor to their platform. And so the bigger your website is, the bigger their platform gets, and then they will reward you by ranking you for whatever your content is relevant to. So if you guys had 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage and you targeted these exact key terms here, then Google would start ranking you for exactly what your competitors, exactly what your customers are searching for. And then you'd definitely outrank your competitor here because your content is more authoritative. The second thing that I wanted to show you is backlinks. And really all a backlink is just one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. And so if we take your URL here and we throw it into Ahrefs, this shows me your competitor's backend to their website. And so as you can see, they have 417 backlinks coming from 59 websites. And because these are not in a 1-to-1 ratio, that means that some of these websites are really spammy. And so that's a good thing for us because that means that we're going to be able to add more quality links and be able to have better health ratings than them. So this right here is Google's trust rating, and they don't fully trust all the links coming in because of what I said earlier, that not all of them are quality and some of them are really spammy. And just to kind of further explain a link, it's just like this right here where it goes to your page. However, it's kind of like an avenue to your page. So you would want this link to be on a relevant website with healthy metrics here. So if this was on a healthy painting blog post or a healthy home improvement website, that's going to pass a lot more relevance and power to your page. The third and final thing I wanted to show you is citations. And really all a citation is a website's or a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web, such as Yelp, Facebook, or BBB. And what that does is it verifies that you have a physical address and that you are a legit business and not just another website out there on the internet. And then once Google verifies that and you have more citations than these three, then you can start ranking in this map pack. And that's important because these three get about 25% more clicks than these organic listings down here do. So that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this was informative and helpful. All I ask is for a little bit of feedback. You can either reply to this email or give me a phone call at 850-838-6092. So thanks for your time, Juan. Talk to you soon.